Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us here on the Golf Cart Garage YouTube channel. I'm your host, Dave, and I'd like to introduce you to Golf Cart Garage Television, or GCG-TV, your #1 source for how-to videos, before and after installations, multi-part series like New Golf Cart Owners 101, and much more, all designed to help take the mystery out of owning, maintaining, and upgrading your cart. We even have specific playlists built on how you use your cart, such as tips for golfers, outdoor enthusiasts, sportsmen, homesteaders, neighborhood commuters, parents with teenage cart drivers, and facility managers. Whatever your skill level, we'll make you a golf cart guru in no time. Working on that swing and your short game is still up to you. Once you're ready to get your hands dirty, come join us at golfcartgarage.com, your #1 source for golf cart batteries, chargers, parts, tires, accessories, and you'll enjoy the Golf Cart Garage difference, which includes fast and always free shipping on US orders, plus 5-star service and experts on call in the US, a free printed catalog, and special pricing for facilities and organizations. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. But before you go, be sure to click the red subscribe button so you never miss an episode or tip. Thanks for watching GCG TV.